Where is Milko? Let's show. Oh. That's Milko. Okay, okay. Let's shoot Milko. Oh, yeah, Milko. How do you do, Arnold Schwarzenegger?
I will practice.
I will be back. Where do you want to go to school, Christian? I don't know yet. What do you like about? Miss, how do you do it?
And this camera starts right here. That's the name.
Yeah.
I don't have any friends. Okay, let's go. Where is the most of your friends? Okay, where is the most of your friends? Don't cry now. Kerdi jõud soengub kohe. In the Salme? No, that's good. What do you do when you chill, hang with your friends? Live and do and how they are and girls and boys and all about their friends. How many?
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody came between us or could ever come above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound and skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground. But I really want to see her on the weekend. She knows she got me dazing because she was so
Okay,
amazing.
good.
And
Let's
now
speak
my heart
English
is
now.
breaking. But I just keep on saying.
Okay, good. The English teacher said that you speak like English Chinese or something. You are like one little bastard. No. Let's talk about it. And these days you must have like 3 boyfriends. 3, do you see my fingers? 3, 3, 3. At least 3. Yeah, at least 3 boyfriends. 1. Nah. Okay. Hey, oh, wait.
I have a gift for him.
Hey, honestly, do you have any gifts for your family members? Christian! Do you have any gifts for your family members or your best friends or something?
No.
Why? Say something nice to teachers.
Hello.
Okay. Now you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay. What do you do with your boyfriends? Boyfriends is boyfriend, whatever. In Valentine's Day. What do you have any gifts for them? I would like to know. Not yet. But are you planning to buy them any gifts?
Yes.
Them. For Artur, no? Only one. Nice.
You suck.
Oh,
Yes,
I'm so unhappy now.
you suck.
Oh, so your fingers. Oh, that other finger. And you, do you have any gifts for your boyfriend? Yeah, I would like to know. Speak honestly for camera.
I'll buy it.
And what? Is it?
You'll see it
White gold ring?
next Monday.
Like camera. Me? Oh, I'm cameraman. Don't buy me any gifts.
Oh, nice.
Pink. So.
Christian.
No.
What are you planning to do with your family on Valentine's Day? Are you going to sing happy birthday to anyone or do anything like play board games or go online and do some chat roulette fun or something like that with your family? Say something nice again. Say something nice. See kaamera on päris lõbus asi. Oota, ära nii kiiresti, noh. Vaikselt, õige tubli, ma näen su näguga, oota. Vaikselt, allapoole. Down. Oh, up. Down. Okei. Up.